Hello everyone, Bridget with Altenew. I'm here to walk you through layering for the dynamic duo Dainty Roses stencil and stamp set. In this set, you get a 2-piece layering stencil. As well, you get a layering stamp set that has the layers for the roses as well as lots of wonderful sentiments. We're going to go ahead and have a closer look at the layering guide included. You can see the 2 stencils, and you can also see when you will add the stamps to complete the arrangement or rotate the stencils. On the right-hand side, you can see an example with the colors used. We'll begin by putting stencil number 1 into our stamp wheel. We will use a small ink blending tool to apply Volcano Lake to the openings of all the leaves. I will use a piece of spare cardstock right here just to cover up some of the smaller openings so I don't get ink where I don't want it. Now we'll rotate the stencil 45 degrees and we'll use pink pearl on the bottom right hand corner to complete the first layer of the bud. Next is fuchsia, and finally we'll use razzleberry ink, which will complete our bud. Next, we'll go to stencil number 2, and we're going to complete the Dainty Roses, the cluster of roses, and we're using pink pearl for this first layer. And I'm being careful to blend as there are some delicate pieces of the stencil. I'm aligning the stencil and I'm using fuchsia. You will see I put my nail at certain points. You could use tweezers as well to hold the dainty bits. I'm showing you where I'm looking to align on the right-hand side and at the point of that triangle on the left-handed rose. Now I'll use razzleberry to complete the roses. Next, we will use the right-hand side of stencil number 2. This is going to give us the layer for the leaves using emerald ink. And you can apply this as lightly or as heavy as you would like. Now we'll go back to stencil 1. In the top right hand corner, there's going to be some foliage, which we will use gray denim for. And I've switched to a mini ink blending tool because it's a smaller area. Now we've finished with our stenciling. We're going to go ahead and line up stamp set A. This is going to be B. Next we have C. And finally, we will have D. I will use my flip plate to pick up all of my stamps. I will then use obsidian pigment ink, and then I will stamp down to complete my image. I hope this video has been helpful with you working with your dynamic duo Dainty Roses. Here's some inspiration from our fabulous designers. To find out more about dynamic duo Dainty Roses and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.
Hey there, Lydia here. I really do hope that you've just enjoyed the video. If so, please subscribe to the Altenew YouTube channel. Also, turn on the notification bell so you can get your daily dose of crafty techniques and tutorials just like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.